At the Oscars of Innovation, ORNL clinches 14 R&D 100 awards. We take you inside the labs where scientists developed 2 of these award-winning technologies. Inside ORNL's manufacturing demonstration facility, a groundbreaking system is making waves in 3D metal printing. Meet Medusa, a multi-agent additive manufacturing system where 3 robotic arms, each equipped with a welder, work together to create large metal components.
So the idea is here, you create a part in a computer additive kind of way, you load that part into the system, and then the system actually decides which arm does what, at what speed, at which moment. And in the meantime, if any one of those fails, the system will instantly reassign the job to the other remaining ones.
Across the room, researchers are busy ensuring these 3D printed components are as durable as traditionally manufactured parts.
The whole goal is for them to not only print, but to print materials that are going to behave as materials that are traditionally casted or forged.
To prove the system's capabilities, Medusa printed a 1,000-pound impeller in just 46 hours, demonstrating the potential for clean energy applications.
So this is where we need to be more, I would say, aggressive on creating new ways to create more cheaper, faster green technology. And when I'm talking about hydro, so the impeller is done, the research is done towards hydro energy, but also we had an example in wind energy, and a lot of this technology is applicable in general for power generation.
Next door, ORNL scientists have made another leap, developing the world's fastest wireless EV charger for passenger vehicles.
We targeted about 10 minutes charging for 50% increase in state of charge. So another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the temperature, depending on the initial state of charge, you can get close to 80% state of charge.
Bringing electric vehicles much closer to today's gas station refueling experience.